Alright, so this is how to make your very own airsoft frag. So, all the videos on YouTube always have, like, baking soda and vinegar, or some similar stupid, cheapo method of throwing BBs, and it's never gonna do anything. It's like, they're not real frags, they're not gonna actually, people are gonna be like, wait, did I get hit? No, I didn't. That wasn't anything, so what you're going to need is glue sticks, glue gun, a wiffle ball, and then for the fuse you just need a fuse and a match, and you also need BBs. I got BBs here. Ouch. Alright, so what you do is you just take your BB, you put a little glue on it, and you just stick that in one of the holes on the wiffle ball, and yeah. So now I'm just going to show you a time lapse of me doing that. Alright, so that is all you gotta do to make the frag itself. So I'm gonna make a picture flash up of the painted. These are really simple to make, and you can use, I'd recommend only about half a tablespoon of gunpowder in here, or similar. Use right here, so when you strike the match head lights the fuse. Just simple strike method, and you can put the striker on your thumb.
Nope.
Anyway, so it's advisable that in the really empty patches like here and all that, you drill a hole and glue another BB there, because it's just handy to have more holes and more BBs. But since it's already got this diamond pattern going here, I mean, it'll work. It just will. You don't need to worry about that as much. And depending on your gunpowder that you use, you might have to cap some holes and stuff in it, but other than that, it should work. Don't use more than a tablespoon of gunpowder in these ever. Otherwise, you'll have actually lethal effects. But when I tested my first one of these, a while ago actually. It penetrated about one or two pieces of cardboard. Um, that's similar to what my LTO2 can do at 50 yards, so happy airsofting.